Imagine living in a home designed not just for aesthetics, but to thrive in the face of nature's harshest challenges. What if your house could literally withstand extreme weather conditions? That's exactly what the West Don Ravine Passive House in Toronto aims to accomplish, creating a sanctuary that ensures safety and comfort even during power outages. Daily Inspirations, Houses We Love. Each day, we spotlight an extraordinary dwelling brought to us by architects, designers, builders, and homeowners in our community. Have an impressive project you'd like to share? Feel free to submit it right here. https://dupe.dwell.com. Project Overview. Location, Toronto, Canada. Photographer, Double Space Photography. https://photography @2spacephoto. From the architect. Reflecting on the ice storm that hit Toronto in 2013, which left my parents without electricity for an entire week, I remember how they were stranded by two struggling fireplaces. The incessant chirping of a security alarm kept them on edge while they monitored the pipes to prevent freezing. I made a vow that their next residence would not only withstand such turmoil, but also foster a strong connection to the natural surroundings. Thus, the West Don Ravine Passive House was born. This stunning two-story hillside home is not just beautiful. It's the city's very first PHIUS-certified residence, spanning 3,000 square feet. The interior of this passive house seamlessly follows the natural slope of the land. From the street level, the home presents a low-profile facade, cleverly integrated amidst the towering McMansions. A thoughtfully designed planted light well leads from the front yard toward the nearby ravine, inviting sunlight to penetrate deep into the house, while maintaining a lush environment that surrounds each room. Transitioning through a terracotta-lined mezzanine and descending a grand staircase, one is greeted by expansive living, dining, and kitchen areas, all basking in the soft northern light that filters through an expansive wall of ultra-clear triple-glazed windows. Outdoor spaces are accessible via limestone pavers, leading to terraces that gracefully blend into native plant beds. In fact, about 70% of the prior hardscape has been transformed into vibrant soil and habitats buzzing with pollinators. The principles of passive house design were pivotal in shaping our construction choices. The building features highly insulated assemblies, achieving around R50 in the walls and R80 at the roof, which trim heating and cooling needs by over 85%. To ensure comfort throughout the year, two ultra-quiet heat pumps along with an energy recovery ventilator maintain a stable indoor climate. During last summer's sweltering heat, my parents only needed to cool a compact 200-square-foot bedroom, while the rest of the house remained refreshingly comfortable. Should the power grid fail once more, the interior temperature can hold around 54 degrees Fahrenheit for several days. The materials used reflect the essence of the surrounding woods. Ash, jack, and white pine sourced from Ontario provide warmth to the private areas of the house, while local Upper Algonquin limestone grounds the communal spaces. The upper facade is adorned with glazed terracotta baguettes that scatter soft light across the mezzanine. Notably, since insulation wraps around the exterior, the raw concrete walls of the foundation are left exposed on the inside, allowing the house's structural integrity to shine through. As one ventures into the primary suite, the palette becomes richer, intertwining personal memories with contemporary craftsmanship. Knotty pine, wood that once filled my childhood bedroom, now forms custom millwork and frames vistas of the lush forest outside. An azure blue granite island top, which has been the centerpiece of countless family dinners, now ingeniously becomes a bathroom vanity on one side, while doubling as a picture ledge in the bedroom. These familiar materials and textures uphold a sense of family heritage, all the while encased in a refreshed modern setting that imparts a serene rhythm to the home. From the very start, landscape stewardship was essential. Collaborating closely with urban forest ecologists, we crafted a comprehensive ravine management plan, replacing asphalt with understory plants that naturally absorb stormwater while inviting birds back to the incline. For PHIUS architecture, the West Don Ravine Passive House is a testament to the idea that exceptional energy efficiency can harmoniously coexist with open, crafted spaces that nurture a profound connection to the environment. This dwelling stands as a unique blend of family refuge and experimental living space, illuminating a forward-thinking path toward climate-resilient housing for the next generation in Toronto. Grace Bernard, https://www.dwell@gracebernard7431. Grace Bernard is a freelance writer and editorial strategist based in Los Angeles, where she delves into topics related to architecture, design, culture, and travel. Connect with her at www.gracebernard.com, published on August 18, 2025. Throughout this narrative, crucial themes emerge, such as energy efficiency and resilience. What do you think? Can homes like these truly represent the future of sustainable living? Or is it just a trend? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions in the comments.